right, we have talked that you are in second grade and boring sentences like I see, I can, I like are boring. But yet, people are still writing sentences like that. So we need to talk about how to expand our sentences to make them a bit more exciting, right? We don't want to make people bored. We want to excite people, make our sentences interesting. Okay? So, let's start with this sentence. Let's do the boy laughed. Okay? It is a sentence because it has the naming. Okay? It's got the naming, and it also has the telling. The boy is the naming, laughed is the telling. But there's not a lot of detail in that sentence. So we are going to expand our naming and our telling. Not just one part, we are going to expand both. Whoops. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to type a new sentence. Ready? How can we expand the boy? Tell me more about the boy. We could say the little boy. We could say the baby boy. We could say the silly boy. So let's expand our sentence. The little boy, okay, what did the little boy do? Laughed. Okay, expand it. The little boy laughed at what? Why did the boy laugh? The little boy laughed at his dog. I made it up, right? So I still have my naming, the little boy, and I still have my telling, laughed at his dog. The only thing I did was add some extra details. Let's do another one. Let's do, well, I don't like this one, but here we go. The spider crawled. All right, let's find naming. Naming is spider. And the telling is crawled. But this sentence still doesn't tell me much. I have a lot of questions about this because you didn't tell me a lot. So let's expand both parts. Here we go. I like this. Ready? The creepy spider. The creepy spider. Again, there's my naming. Now let's expand the telling. Ready? The creepy spider crawled down my back. Okay, now when we visualize this sentence, the spider crawled. There's not a lot of details to help us visualize. But if we visualize the creepy spider, whoops, I forgot crawled. Why did you guys tell me? If you were here, you would have told me. Crawled down my back. See how much more detail we added? All right, let's do one more. Let's do the baby cried. Okay, who's our name? Yep, the baby. What's the telling? Cried. All right, let's expand it. You got to do both parts. works, the naming and the telling. So I'm going to do the sleepy baby. There's my naming. The sleepy baby cried because she, all right, so the sleepy baby cried because she wanted her mama. The sleepy baby cried because she wanted her mama. So today, you are going to get your own to-do. Let me pull it up for you. You're going to get your own. Here it is. Your name goes here. Read each boring sentence. I already gave you the boring one. Change my boring into something exciting. Okay? So you need to change the girl into something exciting. You can't change it to the boy. Okay? It's a girl. But you need to change it into something exciting. The big girl, the happy girl, the sad girl. I don't know. Make it up. Cried. Tell me more about the telling. You must expand each